If you want to know different firefighting systems, watch this video till the end. So in firefighting, we have various type of systems. First is your weight system. Second is dry system. I'll tell you what all this. Third is reaction. Fourth is deluge system. Fifth is weight. Before that, only downcomer system. Weight come downcomer system. So these are the different 6 type of system we have in firefighting. Okay, so we'll discuss one by one.